Welcome back to the channel. So I have some exciting news. We actually got our first product sent to us by a company, and I even told them to address it as ABC Garage. You'll see it right here. Anyways, so this is my first time opening it, so this will be both of our first time seeing it, but it's actually it's actually an LED headlight kit, which I already have the Morimoto 2-stroke LED, but these LEDs are actually 360 apparently. So yeah, let's get into it. It's a 360 LED headlight. It's the H11, which is what the Mazda 6 uses. And this is how it looks. So instead of just a flat LED strip, it has it all 360 to increase light output. And then you have the connectors and the ballast and everything right here. But yeah, anyways, that's it for the unboxing. So this actually has a BMW on the cover, but I assure you this will fit the Mazda 6. One last note before ending the video. Many people, including myself, believe that you can't get free products or sponsored products for free without having a huge following, but I have under 1,000 subs and they sent this to me. So as long as you can provide value to your viewers and the companies that are sending you product, I believe you can definitely get some free products and sponsored products. Stay tuned for the next video for the installation and comparison between this setup and my current setup, which has the Morimoto 2-stroke LED. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more content and keep up with the channel. Thanks for watching.